All right, question 7. Calculate the volume in milliliters of a 10.5 milligrams per milliliter tetracycline stock solution required to make 525 milliliters of lauria broth with a final concentration of tetracycline at 2.75 milligrams per milliliter. Record the correct amount rounded to 1 decimal place. All right, so first things first, let's go through and talk about what this question is asking us. So first, you want 525 milliliters of lauria broth. Or lauria bertani broth, as is the correct name. The final tetracycline solution, let's write that out, should be 2.75 milligrams per milliliter. Your stock solution is 10.5 stock solution So you're going to find how many milliliters of the stock to add, and the final thing it wants you to do is round to 1 decimal place. All right. So you want 525 milliliters of lauria broth. Your final tetracycline solution should be 2.75 milligrams per milliliter. Your stock solution should be 10.5 milligrams per milliliters. So you are trying to find out how many milliliters of your stock you need to add, and then you need to round to 1 decimal place. So to do this, we're going to use our handy dandy dilution formula, C₁V₁ equals C₂V₂. So C1 is going to be 10.5 milligrams per milliliter, which is our stock. V1 is what we are looking for. C2 is going to be 2.75 milligrams per milliliter, which is the final concentration we're looking for. And V2 is going to be 525 milliliters, which is our final volume. All right, so now we just kind of plug and play. So 10.5 times V1 is going to give us 2.75 times 525 . So our V1 is going to be 137.5 milliliters. And so that's already rounded to 1 decimal place. So you need 137.5 milliliters of your 10.5 milligrams per milliliter tetracycline stock.